Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Shein on PC. Shein is a popular online shopping platform known for the affordable fashion, accessories, beauty items and home products. While many people use the mobile app, you can also use the Shein on PC through your web browser, which makes browsing products, comparing prices and managing orders easily on a larger screen. So using Shein on a computer allows you to search for a product, filter items, add them to your cart, apply coupons, track orders and manage your account comfortably, and this guide walks you through every important feature step by step so beginners can use the platform confidently. So first what you can do is access to this any of the web browser, choose your Chrome, Edge, Safari or the Firefox, and in the top there's an address bar, type down shein.com and enter it, and the Shein homepage will load. On the homepage you will see the top navigation, you will see the search bar here and categories like women, men, kid, beauty, home, beachwear, kids, government, clothing, trending fashion collections. Over here these sections help you quickly explore the product. First, in order to create an account, what you can do is on the top right corner over here we can find the sign in or the register. Simply click onto the sign in or the register here. Over here what you can do is simply type down your mobile number or your email address, as I'm going to type down my email address, and select continue. And if you want to log in with your Google or your Facebook, you can do that as well. So over here what you can do is you need to sign in with your account, simply type down your password as well and select sign in. As I'm going to select to this continue with the Google, you can either continue with your Google, Facebook or you can simply type down your email address and enter your password and continue. Once completed, your Shein account will be ready to use. Exploring the home page over here. The home page contains several important sections. You can navigate to this menu. At the top of the page, you will see the categories such as sale, women, men, beachwear, kids, government, clothing. And when you hover your mouse over this category, subcategories appear, making it easier to find specific products like dresses, shoes, or the bags. And in the search bar over here on the top, you can type things like summer dress, white sneakers, gold earrings. Press enter to see the search results, as well as I want to type down shoes and enter it. And over here you'll find ton of shoes options and you can select each wise as well. And you can also find these promotional sections. Shein frequently shows the flash sales, new arrivals. You can go back to your home section here, find into sales, new arrivals, seasonal collections at discount events, and these banners help you find the limited time deals as well. And searching for the product. Searching is one of the easiest way to find the item. So over here on the top in the search bar, type the product name in the search bar and press enter. And the result page will display many times. Each product shows a product image, price, ratings, discount percentage as well, an estimated price, and you can click any item to view more details, as I'm going to select one of the item here. And over here you can find to the color options, best sellers or how many color size, shoe size, colors, and description of the shoes. And here you can also choose the filter. On the left hand side we can find this category, sizes, currencies, colors, and pattern type styles. And for example, if you want a red dress under $20, you can select the color red and the sizes for it exact, and the filtering will be happen, and this makes shopping faster and more organized. You can view the product details. When you click a product, the product page opens. Here you can see the product images. You can zoom in and view multiple photos items. In the left hand side over here we can find this price and the discount. The product prices appears clearly, including any sales discount, size options, and most clothing items sizes from XS, small, medium. And always check the size chart to avoid ordering the wrong size. And product description, this section explains the material. Over here, fabric type, care instruction, product features, and reviewing and the rating on. And when you scroll a bit down, you'll find this customers reviews and rating. Customer often upload photos and reviews showing how the item looks in real life. And reading the reviews help you judge quality and fit better buying. And you can also add items to your cart. What you can do is select to this add to cart here and choose the size and color of your choice. And you can also choose how much shoes you want. You can also increase the quantity, as I'm going to select one of the quantity and select add to cart here. This item will be saved to your shopping cart and you can continue browsing and add more items. And the next is viewing and shopping cart. Over here in the top right corner we can find this small cart item. Select to this to see your cart. Over here you'll find this, the cart page will show all the selected items. Here you can change the quantity, remove items if you want by selecting delete this, and check the total price as well with the shipping price. And you can also do the check it now, and once ready you can click to the checkout, and checkout is where you complete the purchase. Once you click onto the checkout here, and you need to type down your location, your name, last name, phone number, city, your postal code, the zip address, and you need to save it over here and choose the shipping method as well. On the right hand side we can find this your reward points, coupon code. If you have any coupon code for it to get discount, you can also link your coupon code over here. You can also select which payment method you want to apply, and shipping cost may vary depending on the location. And if you have and Shein supports payments options such as credit or debit card, PayPal, and after choosing a payment method you can place an order. And tracking your order, once your order is placed you can track it it in the top right. You can go back, and the next thing is to using your wish list. And if you like an item but you are not ready to buy it, you can save it. Click the heart icon on the product just beside the add to cart here, and this is a wish list. This item will be saved in your wish list, and this allows you to easily find the item later. And from your top right corner of the icon here, this is your profile. And over here you'll find all of the coupon, points, wallets, gift card, and you can also find orders, reviews, shipped, processing, and unpaid orders as well. And this area helps you control all of your shopping activity and returning items. If a product does not fit or meet expectation, Shein offers return. So step you need to go to your orders here and select to this return orders over here and follow the instruction for sending the item back. And tips for using the Shein on PC: always check the site charts before ordering, read customer reviews for the better accuracy, and look for the flash sale and coupons to save money. Compare similar products before buying. Save items in your wish list if unsure. And on the Shein website, customer service also helps users resolve problems related to orders, payment, shipping, or returns. To access it, scroll to the bottom of the website. On the left hand side, we can find to the service records, and this is where users can find the details support article explaining how different parts of the website work. Here you can learn about tracking orders, payments, methods, and shipping information, return the policies, and account management. So simply go to this contact us here, and it is useful because many problems can be solved quickly by following the instructions provided there without contacting customer support. And the currency setting also, and Shein allows users to change the currency so prices appear in the local or the preferred currency. To do this, in the top right corner we can find this currency icon here. We can find this USD. You can simply select to this and you can select any of this currency over here. You'll find this list of the currencies such as USD, UR, and GBP, and all this will appear after selecting your preferred currency. All the product prices on the website will automatically update. And the next will be the language setting. Next to the currency option, you can also change the language of the website. Shein supports multiple languages to make the platform easier to the international users. Simply click on the language option below it. You can find these 3 languages here. Simply select any of the language that you are preferably want to and choose your preferred language from the list, and the website interface will reload with the selected language. And the next will be the Shein VIP. Shein also offers a VIP membership program that rewards frequent shoppers when you become a VIP member. In order to find a VIP, go to your profile over here, and on the left hand side there's a Shein VIP. Select over here, and when you become a VIP member, you can earn points, exclusive discounts, early access to the sales, and special rewards depending on your purchase activity. And the more you shop, the higher your VIP level becomes, which unlocks additional benefits. Better coupons are the birthday rewards. And the lastly will be the sign up. When you finish using the website, you can safely sign out from your account. And to do this, simply scroll a bit down on the left hand side. We can find the sign out here. A menu will appear over here with the sign out. Click on the sign out, and again it will ask for the confirmation. Select yes, and your account will be logged out of the website. And using Shein on PC is simple and convenient. By visiting the website, creating an account, browsing categories, filtering products, and checking out securely, you can easily shop for the fashion items from your computer. The larger the screen also helps you compare products, read reviews, and manage your orders more comfortably. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.